Yeah, hi everyone, Mick here from Mick Tighe 4x4 and Outdoor in Toowoomba. Really excited to bring a new product to you today that we want to tell all Toyota Landcruiser owners about. So what we have here, relates to the gearbox. We've got a gearbox modification that we're doing. We've actually done it to my own vehicle with great success, and I'm really happy with it. The end game is to drop the engine RPM down at 100 kilometres an hour in 5th gear. So those of you who've got one of these utes, you're aware on a standard size tyre you're doing about 2,500 RPM at 100k an hour. So how it works is we bring your ute in, pull the gearbox out, strip it down. We replace the existing countershaft with a new modified one. These are all made in Japan, by the way, of good quality. Change the 2nd gear and change the 5th gear on the main shaft. So what we achieve out of that is approximately 400 RPM drop at 100k an hour in 5th gear. So if you're on a standard size tyre, you're going to be around 2100 RPM. The benefits of that are quieter in the cab, better fuel economy, make them a better rig to drive. I'm on 33-inch tyres, so at 100k an hour in 5th gear, I'm down to 1900 RPM, and it's just changed the whole vehicle to drive on the highway. Really pleased with it. You can get this done at our place here at 190 Herrie Street. We'd love to see you if you got a 79 Series Ute.